Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Meta Business Suite, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Meta Business Suite website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button and click on it. If you already have a Facebook account, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on Create New Account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. After logging in, you will be directed to the Meta Business Suite dashboard. To create your business profile, select Create a Business. Fill out the required fields, including your business name and email address. Next, choose whether you want to connect an existing Facebook page or create a new one. If you have an existing page, follow the prompts to link it to your business account. If creating a new page, fill in the necessary details like category, description, and profile picture. Once your page is created, you can add other relevant information such as business address and contact details. After setting up your page, navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. Here, you can adjust notification preferences and permissions for team members. If you want to add team members, click on Users in the Settings menu. Enter the email addresses of individuals you wish to invite and set their roles. Once your team is set up, explore the various features available in the Meta Business Suite dashboard. This includes managing posts, tracking analytics, and setting up ads. Familiarize yourself with each section to maximize your use of the platform. To manage your content, click on Content and use the tools provided to schedule and publish posts. Keep an eye on your analytics to understand audience engagement and optimize your strategy. When ready, you can also explore the Ads section to create targeted advertising campaigns. Remember to regularly check your Business Suite dashboard for updates and new features. With these steps, you should now have a fully functional Meta Business Suite account for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.